Ang ganda niya! Finally, it's here, mga Jillies! So, these are the giveaways that I'm going to give it out this coming December 15 or 16. Just check out my post regarding our 5th anniversary giveaways. And i-unbox natin today. Actually, when I saw this few days ago, natuwa ako. Sabi ko, sana pala nag-order din ako para sa sarili ko, para sa sister ko. Kasi guys, ang ganda. And you know what? Penny Pairs did the sale. Buti na lang talaga, I got this before the sale. Kung hindi, sold out na siya. So, nakahabol pa tayo. Umikot-ikot na siya. Ang ganda niya! What I like about this one is adjustable pa kasi naka-chain. And of course, may letter P, signature ni Penny Pairs. When worn, ganito yung itsura niya. Actually, when we saw this one few days ago, sana talaga nag-order talaga ako